The treatment of the Jain Shrine of the MFA comprises mostly conservation tasks. These are the consolidation of the base box or the long cleaning of the painted surfaces to remove the aged shellac varnish. However, like in many objects this ancient, restoration procedures are necessary to improve the aesthetics and readability of high decorated parts of the object. The most visible restorations is what we call chromatic integration, also known as touch-ups or inpainting. It consists in adding color to areas with paint or wood losses. First, cracks, fissures, and other losses are filled in with cellulose fiber paste, followed by application of fine stucco or spackling material. In some cases, it is required to give the surface a smooth finishing by sanding. Here we just need to remove carefully the excess of spackling with a scalpel, fine files, and cotton swab with saliva. Once the surfaces match the original texture, high-quality pigments, artist-grade acrylics for the matter, are applied to mimic the colors. The goal is not perfection, but instead to achieve a slightly lighter tone, easily detectable from 3 feet away. We call this discernible inpainting and allows historians, researchers, or even a trained museum visitor to distinguish what is original from what is a 21st century restoration.